Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tea. In this video, we are going to see how to convert text to audio using openai. Open your Chrome or any browser. Search openai text to speech and click the first link. The link is also attached to the description, so check it out. You have to sign up to use. I already have signed it. This website is absolutely free. You can use whenever you want. After you signed up, type your script manually in the input text or upload your script in the form of document in the document section. For example, I type my intro of this video. After that, you have to choose voices. There are openai voices and system voices. You can choose either this or that. You can also record your own voices by clicking this option. For the sake of this video, I choose system voices. There are more various voices. You can apply filter like this. Click the voice that you selected and select the speed of the voice like this. You can also choose quality of the video like this. After you done that, click create speech option and check the audio. Go to your history. You can see that audio. After you done that, check the audio.
Hi guys, welcome to Tech D. In this video, we're going to see how to convert text to audio using openai.
After that, click the three dot button and click download. That's all. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.